Hi everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV and today we're gonna do a double unboxing and it is from Coach. I ordered two as I cannot decide what color would I get since all of the colors are pretty. And let's get started. Let's open the first guys. This is a new release from Coach. It came with this inside the box and let's open it. And this is the receipt. So this is what it looks like. I am so excited, guys. So it took me like several days before I was able to decide to get this, as I'm really thinking if I need it since it's a big bag and I am now into smaller bags, but it won't leave my mind. So finally I just ordered it and this is it, guys. So you already know what it is. And this is the Coach pillow Tabby in ivory. And it is such a beautiful, luxurious purse, guys. If you will see this in person and hold it, it's a pillowy leather. And it is so pretty. So it came with two straps. So this is what it looks like, guys, with both of the straps attached. And I guess they really did good in deciding this purse. I am not really liking this big C in front, but the purse itself is really well made, guys. It has this strong magnet and inside has this compartment here. And this is the dust bag, and inside looks like this. And nice space inside, and at the back it's just plain like this. So the purse is so cushiony and pillowy, and it is such a beautiful piece. And if you're gonna put it on your arm, looks like this. And the leather smells so good too, and it's just a luxurious leather if you're gonna feel it. I don't know how will this hold up, since see, if you're gonna press it, you're gonna see those tiny wrinkles over there. So I don't know how will this wear, guys, and also with the scratches. But I am glad that this doesn't cost really thousands of dollars. This is 495 US dollars right now, and it comes in two straps, one short one and the long one. So I guess this is really priced well. This is the barcode. I'm gonna take a look at it. And the strap is adjustable, and if you're gonna wear it crossbody, it looks like this. The weight of the bag is also not heavy. It's not that heavy for a leather purse. If you are into medium bags, I think this will really fit your lifestyle. It can be formal and casual. Here, I'll just want you to take a look at this leather closely. See that? So I don't know how will this wear. It is so soft and feels luxurious, but I'm not familiar on how this leather will wear since it is so pillowy. And I love that they have this cushion bag charm here at the side, and at the bottom it looks like this. I really like the short handle, guys. It is so comfy on the shoulder when you put it here at the side, and it has a space on your arm, so you will be able to put it there. You can just wear it like this. And I like the brush gold hardware also that it has. It looks like a brush gold for me. It's not really that shiny hardware. And inside, if you're gonna put some stuff, Let's say I'm gonna put this. I don't know if it will fit in here, but we'll try. It will not fit. It will not fit inside, but let's try this mini pochette. It will fit easily. This Chanel O case. So see, there's still a lot of room in there. So this is nice that it has enough space inside to put your basic needs. And this reminds me of Bottega bag, that it is so soft and pillowy. It's just nice to touch. So if you get this ivory, if I choose this color, I will put some Colonial Carbon Pro at the back and in front or all over the bag, so that the stains will not really attach to it easily. And this is what it looks like if you're gonna put it crossbody, and this will look good. This is a good neutral, guys, so it will look nice with your neutral outfit. And I really love the color. I will not get this color right now with Louis Vuitton and Chanel, since I don't know how will I be able to take care of ivory or white bags color, since I am not that careful. I don't want to really be paranoid when I use the bag. So this is nice that the price point is affordable for a ivory bag. So let's open the other purse, guys, and find out what color did I get for the other one. Let's put it in here. So it came with this as well, and let's open it. So this is the receipt. And this one is this, guys. Oh my god, the green color is so pretty. It is so pretty, guys. If you're gonna see this in person, it is really a nice shade of green. It is a deep color green. However, I already see the scratch in here. I don't know if you can see it on camera, and there's like a bump here. So the green is slightly defective in my opinion with this bump in the leather, and it can really be seen right away. But this is such a beautiful, beautiful shade of green, guys. If you're gonna look at YouTube, you're gonna see that most people are choosing this color, as it is such a beautiful, beautiful shade of green. But why did I get the one with a bump in front? Since this is pillowy and plain, you can really see the imperfection on the leather. So I will not try to open the straps anymore, as I don't think I will keep this with this. So I don't know if I'll get another green or I'll just keep the ivory, but at least this will give you an idea, guys, that it looks like this side by side with the ivory and the green color. And if you're gonna ask, in my opinion, this is easier to pair with any outfits than this green, as this is such a bright green color. It's not really like a deep green color that sometimes you get to pair it well with the other neutral colors. So this one is looking perfect than this green one, so definitely I will be returning this green for the reason of this bump on the leather. But this is such a nice shade of green, guys. I love it as well. If you love green, green is my second favorite color. This is a nice shade of green first. So again, guys, I'm really loving this color as well, and it goes well with my jogger set right now, having this brown neutral and this ivory. It goes together, and this is kind of formal, and this one is casuals, but still it goes well together, and I am really loving this color as well. It's a nice basic neutral color, and I really love it. So what do you think of this, guys? Let me know if you are also eyeing this Coach Pillow Tabby, as what they call this. It is so rich, smells so good. I just don't know how will this wear in time, as it crinkles easily, but I don't know if it's just the nature of the leather, but it doesn't also feel flimsy, but it's just the way the leather crinkles when you touch it here. So I am not sure how will this wear in time, but I love the look. I love the look of it. I would love to hear your thoughts, guys, on this purse. Upon closer look on the bag, I saw that it has a wrinkle on one of the side, and it looks like the leather was not smoothened well when it was stitched together, and it bothers me as it will grow bigger in time. And I'm gonna show you also what I'm talking about when I press the leather, as it has tiny wrinkles around it, and I'm not sure how this will stand in time, though the bag doesn't feel flimsy when you touch it, but when you press it down, you can see all those wrinkles around it. Otherwise, this is a pretty purse. Just leave a comment down below, and also let me know if you have this bag and how are you loving it. And thank you guys for watching, and may all of you have a wonderful day. Please hit like and subscribe. So I'll see you all again next time.